Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make custard at home without custard powder. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients: fresh egg yolks, granulated sugar, whole milk, and heavy cream. These foundational components are all you need to create a truly luxurious and authentic custard. Forget about pre-made mixes. This approach ensures a pure, rich flavor that's incredibly satisfying and surprisingly easy to achieve right in your own kitchen. Next, we'll prepare our custard base. Begin by gently heating 2 cups of whole milk and 1 cup of heavy cream in a saucepan until just simmering. In a separate bowl, whisk 6 large egg yolks with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture becomes pale and thick. This is crucial for a smooth texture. Then, slowly pour about 1/3 of the hot milk mixture into the egg yolks, whisking continuously to temper them and prevent scrambling. Now, it's time to cook our custard to perfection. Pour the entire tempered egg and milk mixture back into the saucepan. Cook this over medium-low heat, stirring constantly with a wooden spoon or spatula. This continuous stirring prevents lumps and ensures even cooking. The custard is ready when it thickens enough to coat the back of your spoon, leaving a clear trail when you run your finger across it. Do not let it boil. To achieve an incredibly smooth and silky texture, immediately strain your freshly cooked custard through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. This removes any small cooked egg bits. Cover the surface directly with plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming, then chill it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. Serve your homemade custard plain, or with fresh berries, for a truly delightful and elegant dessert.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.